think of the problem that face African American men, the problem that face America as a whole, there is no quick solution, nor there should be a quick solution.
I think there is a tremendous amount of value that people have, especially black males have, that's systematically overlooked.
Constantly and consistently see barriers, very intentional and systematic barriers that prohibit black men from doing what they want in terms of jobs or education, in terms of just having access to basic resources. It's alarming.
We have a whole life full of experience of being an African American male, and we know what it means to survive in the African American community and thrive in the African American community. And we need to be consulting foundations and millionaires on how they can be more effective in their work in black communities.
So instead of trying to push all of the African American men into the university track, where you're only dealing with those folks that are been involved in the prison system, or only focusing on kids that have been involved in the high school system, we're going to develop 3 unique tracks to prepare our youth and unleash their potential.
Not only would this generate research around issues and policies around black male achievement, but then would coach and really mentor those of us who are on the ground in communities to help us organize our own communities around these issues.
I think it was a testament to what Public Allies is all about. We have multi-faceted, multi-talented, multi-skilled people all in a room trying to solve a problem that will take all of us to working together to even begin to solve it.
We have these Post-its. All of these Post-its, man, are like $1 million ideas that will bring effective change on a national level.
There's an urgency, obviously. There's an urgency that's just brought on by the urgency of affecting our lives more positively. So the president gave us only 90 days to do this report, and then we've got a call to action, a plan to action that will be part of the report as well for both the private and public sides. But this is, the president's in this for the long haul. This isn't a sprint to try to address these concerns.
When we talk about policy of African American men, you also have to talk about outreach. So we miss it sometimes, and I've been to a lot of conferences on black male achievement, that outreach workers really need to be trained. So we talk about a president who went through organizing. I think that really needs to be a focus of how you train people to get these men back on the mainstream or back on whatever stream they need to be on.
Because I live in a segregated community, when you do things in the black community, strictly the black community, things in the Latino community, the Latino community, but making sure that when we are funding and making sure that these initiatives are working, that at some point we realize and make a concerted effort for these folks to start talking to each other.
We have expertise. We have an expertise because we have lived the reality of what it means to be a black man in America. But that expertise is being ignored on the highest platform, and black males are being treated like the problem that needs fixing, as opposed to the doctors that need to come to the surgery room and perform the surgery.
Being involved with PA helped me to realize my community as a whole, that maybe we're different, but we all go through the same struggle. And when we come together in community, we can really change the world.
I'm just really excited to kind of now build from this and see where we go next.